a sequence of row operation on A equal to I into A till we get I equal to B into A. And here the matrix B will be the inverse of A. Similarly, in the case of elementary column operation, then we write A equal to A into I. So in row operation we write A equal to I into A. In column operation we write A equal to A into I and apply a sequence of operation, that is sequence of column operation on this equation till we get I is equal to A into B. So here B will be the